What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? I'm just out doing shopping. It is Monday. Yep, it's still Monday. Recorded the same day of my insurance story. What I'm going to be talking about is what camera should you start for vlogging if you are a beginner vlogger, and you kind of say to yourself, what camera should I get? Should I get the GoPro, or should I get the Drift Ghost S, but they stopped making it, so that means you have to get second hand, or should you get a knockoff one? Well, I only had two experience of cameras, and that is the GoPro Hero 4 and the Drift Ghost. So if you guys are going to ask me what camera should I get, I will have to say Drift. I mean, I don't like GoPro no more because it's too much faffing about, and I'll tell you guys. So the reason why I chose Drift Ghost S is because there's not a lot of mounts on the Drift Ghost. It's just easy and it's simple, and I wish I actually gone for the Drift Ghost S. The GoPro was okay, it was good for recording, good for taking pictures, but the Drift, you can't beat the freaking Drift. The Drift only had one thing that is just quick and easy, is the stick plate to stick it on your helmet, and the slider part for your helmet to slide in onto the side plate. And you can also adjust the camera as well, like to go up and down, and as well the lens, you can actually rotate the lens. So if it's a bit sideways, like the camera is a bit sideways, at least that you can actually set it to be upright instead of being recording it sideways. But for the GoPro, it has so many bloody mounts. It has so many mounts, and I was just like, it's really annoying, and it's not waterproof either, because the GoPro that I had, the Hero 4 Black, wasn't waterproof, and every time it's raining I have to pull over. I had to pull over, and it was really annoying. When it's going to start raining, I have to find a safe place quickly before I drown my GoPro. It was like, like raging every time. Or even when I think it's going to rain, I can see like a dark cloud and like in a distance, and it was like, oh crap, I have to pull over, and then find out that it's not going to rain, and it's most annoying. I should have listen to Spicy 110. I should listen to Spicy 110 and just got myself the Drift. But hey, I made a mistake. We can learn from our mistakes. Drift Ghost S, I don't have a problem with. There's no mounts, mounting brackets and all that crap. I would recommend everybody to get a Drift Ghost. Yeah, Drift Ghost S. But yeah, probably have to get it second hand. Now, Drift Ghost 4K, I don't see the point of the 4K because it's not waterproof or water resistance like the Drift is. Because I've been hearing like loads of people saying it's a good camera, but don't get it for motvlogging. It's not water resistant and all that stuff, and if it does rain, then your camera is gonna get fucked. But if you are gonna get yourself the Drift, make sure it's Drift Ghost S, because I ride my bike like in raining conditions on the Drift Ghost S. I had no problems with it. I don't think I ever dropped it, not even once. But with Drift Ghost S, when it's raining, you don't have to worry about your camera being damaged from the rain. But with the GoPro, if it does rain, you have to change the housing, and that's another thing that really peeved me off. It's just different housing. And if you're doing a motovlog and then it started raining in the middle of your motovlog, telling the subject, you have to sort of like cancel that motovlog and then try to talk about what you just said. But it was really annoying, and I was getting really peeved off, and I said to myself, I have a choice: get a new camera or stick with this one and keep complaining about it. And you know what, I'm actually glad that I got the Drift Ghost S and only paid like £250, but I was paying off bit by bit from J&S. That was the agreement, and I managed to pay it off on time. And the Drift Ghost S, oh my god, I love it. It's easy to use, easy to turn on, the function and everything, the controls as well. I used the control once, and it's just easy to use. Just press button to record, it records. I definitely enjoyed the Drift Ghost. It's way much better than my GoPro Hero Black. I am just sick of the GoPro, how that you gotta change housing to make it fully waterproof. You gotta change the housing. I just want a waterproof camera where I can actually ride in the rain without worrying about my camera being water damaged. But in the end, it's totally up to you, because it is your money what camera to get. If you want to know more about the Drift Ghost S, then I will advise you to go on YouTube and watch videos of the Drift Ghost and find out if it's right for you. Don't buy GoPro because people start saying, oh, it's one of the best cameras. It's not one of the best cameras. It's okay camera, but I would definitely recommend get Drift Ghost S, but it's totally up to you and it's your money. I actually hope this video does help. If it doesn't, I do apologise if it's not useful. I'll tell you now, and I will say it again, get yourself the Drift Ghost S. You may like it, you may not, but if you don't want a camera that has so much mounts and you just want one thing where, like mine, of a picture as it is, what I'm showing you right now, I think you may prefer my one than the Drift Ghost. I mean the GoPro, sorry. But in the end, it's totally up to you. So my name is Dragonrider. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give this video a like, and if you don't like the video, just give it a dislike. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll speak to you all soon.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.